if you can score this much here, you will score better in the main exam. I think it was a little difficult than last year.
आपको पूरा रियल फील होगा कि you are appearing IMAT exam. The time limit is there, everything was there.
Apart from the simulation test,
I can take it in count and I will note it down and I will discuss with them. But the main part, IMAT preparation, because IMAT is not like NEET. So IMAT competition is different and it's very strategic, we can say. I interviewed many students who cracked IMAT. So I want to know your feedback because you are also preparing for the NEET and you know the Indian standard question. And now the IMAT question is pattern is completely different and curriculum is different. So is there any strategy you want to share with the future IMAT aspirant? They want to take it from you.
I think the most important part of my preparation was the previous year questions, especially the last 3 years. Like ever since Cambridge stopped making the questions and MUR took the responsibility, they have changed the pattern of questions significantly. For logical reasoning section, for example, that part used to be very hard and most people used to skip that part or like questions. So the cutoffs used to be very lower too before. Now the cutoffs are so high because the logical reasoning part has been made quite easy. So everyone can attempt those questions and hence the cutoff keeps getting higher and higher every year. Talking about the other subjects that are in the NEET as well, the physics, chemistry, biology, those like you don't need to go beyond what you have studied for your NEET or IMAT as well. Yeah, the way they ask their questions is very different, but the content is essentially the same. For math, I did not have maths in my 11th and 12th. So that is the part that I struggled with because I did not know where to start with it. For that, Kalinga Euro helped a lot because the classes that they provided were very helpful, especially for the math section because that is the part I struggled with again. So that helped me navigate the questions. But again, the previous year questions are very important to, like, you have to recognize the pattern of the questions that they ask. They are very similar if you can like do it again and again. I think I relied on them, like I practiced the same PYQs 4 to 5 times for the main exam, the same questions because I needed to retain that information in my head. I did try other mocks as well, like standard of IMAT, and I would score quite less in those exams because they were not, some of the questions were out of the syllabus, as in not what I have read, or out of the scope of how much I have studied so far. So I used to score less in those. But even then you can like make a comparison that the IMAT question is not going to be this hard. If you can score this much here, you will score better in the main exam. I think that is also why they make the questions little harder to give that experience.
Okay, तो this time जो IMAT एग्जाम हुआ था तो आपका जो प्रिपरेशन था वो ये जो क्वेश्चन लेवल था ये हार्ड था या हाउ इट वाज?
I think it was a little difficult than last year, especially the biology part because they were more conceptual this time. Last year it was very easy question, but the other chemistry part was extremely easy, probably easier than last year. So was the physics part. Maths was also somewhat okay. Logical reasoning was extremely easy. They did not even ask any question of general knowledge this time.
And also we developed I think 50 sets of questions, questions, and we like kind of designed a simulation kind of test. So like आपको पूरा real feel होगा कि you are appearing IMAT examination. The time limit is there, everything was there. So आप उसको try किए थे?
Yeah, I did about 20 tests of those.
Okay. So
but after that I think I was really struggling with my self-esteem because I was scoring so low on those exams. So then I just stopped.
आपको help हुआ? Like was it helpful?
It was helpful initially because I could figure out which portions I needed to study. It was helping me filter out those sections. But before the exam, like the last 15 days, I did not do any other mock tests other than the PYQs and the TOEIC question, the alpha tests that are there. Yeah.
Okay. And regarding come to the classes, because आपने सारा classes लिया था, मतलब कलिंगर वो IMAT classes था, right? वो you are like one of the success story of IMAT classes. So जो हमारे जो faculty team है, के लिए कुछ if you have any kind of critical feedback or positive feedback or anything you want to share, so that I can take it in count and I will note it down and I will discuss with them. If there is something negative, then I will try to improve that. If that is positive, also I will try to motivate them. Okay, you are doing great.
I don't have any negative feedback for them. All of the teachers were very supportive and helpful. They would always answer any doubts you had, and there were also class tests being taken apart from the simulation tests that we were preparing for. So they'll teach a specific portion and then they'll take a test on them, like practice while we are in the class. So most of the study like that I had to do was already being done while I was in the class. So I had very less to do on my own after that.
Okay,
it
so
was very
format was like study and practice like that.
Yeah.
So it was kind of engaging. It was not boring.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And what about Stita ma'am? Because Stita ma'am was managing all the IMAT batches. So I think आपका maximum communication Stita ma'am के साथ ही हो रहा होगा, I hope.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
She's very sweet. I'm still in touch with her. She is very amazing. She handles it all very, very well. I would sometimes miss a couple of classes and she would call me, "Will you please join the class?" And then I would join the class like that. So yeah, she's very nice.
and the main part is जब आपका IMAT exam हो गया, when you're done with your IMAT exam, that time were you thinking होगा नहीं होगा, and suppose नहीं होगा, is there any plan B? हम ये करेंगे और एक बार try करेंगे 17th of September until the result declared. What was your thought?
I was like 90% sure that I'll get in, but there was still like 10% of uncertainty. In that case, I even talked to my parents about it, that if I don't get in this time, that I'll appear for it next year as well. This is what I wanted to do now, so I'm going to commit to it fully. So I would have appeared for it again next year if I didn't get in.